this guide, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll Instagram Reels. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is open up Instagram itself and make your way over to the Reels tab. So don't hit anything else. I mean, you can if you want, but make your way over to Instagram Reels. And once you open it, it's going to look something like this. I'm just going to pause this one real quick. Essentially, hit those three dots down towards the bottom right corner underneath the share icon. You're going to see an auto scroll option on here. Go ahead and just tick this on just like so. And once you tick it on, say you get on a reel, and let's just skip all the way to the very end of it, right? The last 3 seconds. As soon as the reel finishes, it's going to actually automatically just scroll. It's pretty cool. Now, of course, this is, insane brain rot, but, that's the entire point. If you guys had any questions or maybe are missing the auto scroll option, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.